Welcome to the chapter Different Types of Houses. This slide presents the overview of the chapter. Learning objectives. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to describe what are temporary and permanent houses, explain about different types of houses, differentiate between slanting roofs and flat roofs. Let us first start with the introduction. We know that a house is a building that is made for people to live in, and a house protects us from heat, cold, rain, dust, etc. We also know that even birds and animals build their houses for shelter. Do you know about the different types of houses? In this chapter, let us know the different types of houses in detail. We will now enter into the topic. People all over the world live in different types of houses. A majority of people build permanent houses and live in one place for a long time. However, some people build temporary houses and keep on moving from one place to another. There are many types of houses like kacha house, pakka house, tent, flat, houseboat, caravan, wooden house, a house built with wood, igloo, a house built with ice found especially in cold regions, etc. A house that is made up of mud, clay, straw and dry leaves is called a kacha house. These houses are not strong. A house that is made up of bricks, cement, concrete and steel is called a pakka house. These houses are very strong. Let us now know about the permanent houses in brief. Permanent houses are houses that are strong and are built by people to live there for a long time. There are many types of permanent houses. Some of them are bungalows, apartments, houses with sheeted roofs, tiled houses, etc. Bungalow is a small house or cottage, usually having a single story. Apartment is a housing unit that is built with a number of flats. The residence in which one family lives in an apartment is called a flat. In an apartment, lots of families can live in one big building. House with sheeted roof is the house that has roof made of metal. Tiled houses are houses that have roofs made of tiles. Knowledge check. Attempt the following questions to check your understanding. Now it is time to know about temporary houses. Temporary houses are houses that are not so strong and are built by people to live for a short period of time. There are many types of temporary houses. Some of them are tents, pipes, caravans, houseboats, huts, etc. Tent. A tent is a portable shelter that is used outdoors, is made of cloth and is held up with poles and ropes. Caravans are houses built on wheels. Houseboats. A houseboat is a boat that is designed to be used as a home. Huts. Hut is a small house or shelter usually made from large logs with a grass-covered roof. Temporary houses are built by people who move from one place to another. For example, circus troops and beggars. Moreover, the government provides people with temporary houses like tents, huts, etc. whenever floods, cyclone, earthquakes and tsunamis occur or when fire accidents break out. Here we will go through the different roofs of houses. Look at the images on screen. These are the various types of roofs of the houses. Do all the roofs look alike? No, some roofs are slanting whereas some are flat. Most of the roofs are built slanting because during the rainy season the water do not stagnate but slides and flows down quickly. Do you know that the roofs of buildings and apartments look flat but they do slant slightly? The roofs are constructed in such a way that they allow the water to go down from a corner through pipes. Knowledge check. Attempt the following questions to check your understanding. We will now perform an activity. Look at the images and drag and drop the respective name under the respective image. Keywords. List of keywords are shown on the screen. Summary. Let us recap the highlights of this chapter. A house is a building that is made for people to live in, and a house protects us from heat, cold, rain, dust, etc. People all over the world live in different types of houses. There are many types of houses like kacha house, pakka house, tent, flat, houseboat, caravan, igloo, etc. A house that is made up of mud, clay, straw and dry leaves is called a kacha house. A house that is made up of bricks, cement, concrete and steel is called a pakka house. The majority of people build permanent houses and live in one place for a long time. However, some people build temporary houses and keep on moving from one place to another. There are many types of permanent houses. Some of them are bungalows, apartments, houses with sheeted roofs, tiled houses, etc. There are many types of temporary houses. Some of them are tents, pipes, caravans, houseboats, huts, etc. The roofs of most of the houses are built slanting in order to make the rainwater flow down quickly. Improve your learning. Read the questions and attempt the answers on your own. You can click answer for your reference. Follow-up work. Take up the following activities. Do you know what type of houses your friends are residing in? Ask your friends about them. Fill in the table with the particulars. Tell your friends to also prepare the table. Ask them and find out how many are residing in similar types of houses. What type of houses do most of your friends live in? Take 3 iron sheets or slates or pieces of cardboard. Place one sheet on the floor. Keep the second sheet on the brick as shown in the picture. Keep the third sheet slanting on 2 bricks placed one above the other. Which one slants more? Now take a glass of water. Pour water on the first, second and the third sheet. Observe and note down from which sheet water flows down quickly. Give reason. Find out and write the differences and similarities between the houses given below in your notes. Observe the roofs of the houses in your surroundings. Fill in the table with the particulars of the roofs. What type of houses are more in number in your locality? Observe and write about the roofs of the houses. Make a model of a house using paper, pieces of cardboards, matchsticks and grass. Test your understanding of the chapter by taking the mock unit test. You have successfully completed the chapter Different Types of Houses.